Welcome to Higher Mathematics. Today my topics trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Ti means 3, gona means angle, and metri means measurement. Therefore, trigonometry means measurement of 3 angles. Trigonometry is a Greek letter. Measurement of any triangle, side, 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 angle, 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 3 side or 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles is a 180 degree or pi. Right angle triangle, one right angle is a 90 degree, sum of two remaining angle is a 90 degree. Therefore, largest side is called the hypotenuse. Basic information of trigonometry. In a right angle triangle, right angle opposite hypotenuse and hypotenuse and adjacent sustain be angle theta, and angle theta opposite side be opposite, a remaining side be adjacent side. Trigonometric ratio of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Sine theta equal opposite by hypo. Cos theta equal adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta equal opposite by adjacent. Cot reverse in tan theta. Then cos theta by sin theta, or adjacent by opposite. Sec theta equal reverse in cos theta, then hypotenuse by adjacent, or 1 by cos theta. And cosec theta equal reverse by sin theta, or hypotenuse by opposite. Basic formula in trigonometry. Any right angle triangle, then acute angle. Acute angle means greater of 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Then tan alpha equal A by B. Tan beta equal B by A. Here alpha sustain angle, opposite side be A and adjacent side be B. Then angle beta in opposite side be B and adjacent side be A. Or sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, or sin theta equal root over 1 minus sin square cos square theta, or cos theta equal root over 1 minus sin square theta. Formula 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1, or sec theta equal root over 1 plus tan square theta, or tan theta equal sec square theta minus 1. Formula 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1, or cosec theta equal root over 1 plus cot square theta, or cot theta equal root over cosec square theta minus 1. Basic formula. This formula is a basic formula. Trigonometric ratio of sine, cos and tan. In given below, in figure given below, 360 degree equal to pi, 180 degree equal pi, 90 degree equal pi by 2, 60 degree equal pi by 3, 45 degree equal pi by 4 and 30 degree equal pi by 6. Then quadratic. First quadrant be all positive and second quadrant be sine positive and third quadrant tangent tan or cot positive. Fourth quadrant then cosine ratio positive. Then cosine means cos theta and cosec theta. Cos theta and sec theta. Again, first quadrant all ratio positive. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all positive. Second quadrant sine and cosec positive. Third quadrant tangent means tan and cot positive. Fourth quadrant cos and sec positive. The value of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta for different value of theta are following. Is a sin theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. First place be 0, second place be 1, third place be 2, fourth place be 3 and fifth place be 4. Divided by all natural numbers, sum of natural numbers. Then 4, the biggest natural number is 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Root over 0 by 4 equals 0. Root over 1 by 4 equal half. Root over 2 by 4 equal 1 by root 2. Root over 3 by 4 equal root 3 by 2. Root over 4 by 4 equal 1. And cos theta reverse in sin theta. 90 degree is 0 degree, 60 degrees 30 degree and 45 degrees 45 degree. Tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta. Then tan 0 equal 0 by 1 equal 0 and tan 30 degree equal half by root 3 by 2 equal 1 by root 3 and tan 45 degree equal 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 equal 1 and tan 60 degree equal root 3 by 2 by half equal root 3. Tan 90 degree 1 by 0 infinity undefined. Then next number cosec theta 1 by sin theta, sec theta 1 by cos theta and tan cot theta 1 by tan theta. This procedure is easy, not necessary in calculator or using calculator. For example, ABC is a right angle triangle and sin theta equal 2 by root 5. Then find the other trigonometric ratio of theta. Solution. Given that sin theta equal 2 by root 5. Measure in right angle triangle. Then sin theta equal 2 by root 5. Then sine means opposite by hypo. Then in a right angle triangle ABC is a AB is opposite and BC is a hypotenuse. Then AB equal 2 and AC equal root 5. Subtend angle be theta, AC and BC sides. in right angle triangle ABC we get BC equal root over AC square minus AB square. Using by Pythagoras law equal root over AC's value root 5 whole square minus AB size value 2, then 2 whole square equal root 5 whole square means 5 and 2 square means 4. Root over 5 minus 4 equal 1, then root 1 equal 1. So the other trigonometric ratio are cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse equal 1 by root 5, tan theta equal opposite by adjacent means 2 by 1 equal 2, and cot theta equal opposite by adjacent equal 1 by 2. Sec theta equal hypotenuse by adjacent equal root 5 by 1 equal root 5. Cosec theta equal hypotenuse by opposite equal root 5 by 2. If a equal pi by 2 and b equal pi by 6, then prove that sin a minus b equals sin a cos b and cos a sin b. Solution: given that a equal pi by 3 and b equal pi by 6, left hand side sin a minus b equal sin pi by 3 minus pi by 6, putting value a and b, or sin 2 pi minus pi by 6 given LCM equal sin pi by 6. This value 1 by 2, right hand side sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, or sin pi by 3 cos pi by 6 minus cos pi by 3 sin pi by 6, putting value a and b. Then sin pi by 3 equal root 3 by 2 and cos pi by 6 equal root 3 by 2 minus cos pi by 3 equal half sin pi by 6 equal half. Then root 3 into root 3 means 3 by 2 into 2 means 4 minus 1 into 1 means 1 and 2 into 2 means 2, 4, or 3 minus 1 by 4 equal 2 by 4 or half. So sin a minus b equals sin a into cos b minus cos a into cos sin b proved. Or all sides value are equal, then proved. Group work. If in a right angle triangle tan theta equal 3, then find the other trigonometric ratio of theta. Problem 2. If a equal pi by 3 and b equal pi by 6, then prove that 1 cos a plus b equal cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Number 2, cos a minus b equal cos a into cos b plus sin a sin b. Number 3, tan 2b equal 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square theta. Number 3, tan 2b equal 2 tan b by 1 minus tan square b. Find the value of sin square pi by 4 cos square pi by 3 plus tan square pi by 6, sec square pi by 3 plus cot square pi by 3 into cosec square pi by 4. Evaluation. In a right angle triangle PQR and subtend angle B theta, and PQ is the opposite side equal to and adjacent side q are equal to root 2. Then in above figures, find the value of p r, sin p plus cos r and sec q plus tan r. Homework. Exercise 8.2. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 12 in your textbook. Thanks for all students.